MTM Hydro's 3/8 brass and stainless live AG swivel are premium Italian manufactured swivels. These swivels are designed to upgrade a standard non-swivel spray gun such as the M407, SG28, SG35, and even a front entry gun, providing freedom of movement. What does it mean to be a live swivel? It means the hose connection will have the ability to swivel while under pressure even as water's flowing through the hose, so you won't bind under pressure. Both the brass and stainless swivels operate up to 12 gallons per minute, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and with PSI ratings up to 5,000 and 5,800 PSI respectively. Installation of your live AG swivel is super simple. All you're gonna need is some kind of a thread lock or Teflon tape. Screw it into the bottom of your gun. Make sure it's secure. You're good to go, your gun now swivels. For a front entry gun with an M22 fitting, you're gonna wanna grab your M22 to 3/8 adapter, and you're gonna screw it on to the fitting here. And then you're also going to want to grab your thread lock or Teflon tape, install it at the 3/8 point of the adapter. An important note on the front entry gun or any gun with an M22 fitting, you do not need Teflon or thread lock on the M22 side of your adapter. The M22 is going to secure itself and lock the threads with the O-ring compression inside. This, or the adapter piece, is still going to need the thread lock. Upgrade any spray gun with a 3/8 inlet for maximum mobility.